Just talk.
Seriously?
No, come on.
No way, dude.
No way, dude.
My name's Sean Timberlake, and I don't give a fuck.
Yay!
But I don't know what to say.
You'll miss us.
Fuck the police.
Please say it again.
Say what again?
You'll miss us.
My name's Sean Timberlake, and I don't give a fuck. Other than that, I don't know what to say.
Are you texting him?
Come on, one last thing. Tell me you'll miss me.
I'll miss you.
Yeah, you just
Say it louder.
say you'll miss me.
Say you'll miss me, Ashley.
I'll miss you guys.
Say it one more time.
No.
Come on, we'll watch this whenever you get out and you'll be like, oh.
Nah.
Come on. No, for real.
Oh,
Tell me you
real.
love me.
Ooh, nah.
Tell me you would have fucking scissored me.
No.
Come on, say it out loud.
You can't, it's a fucking-
Say it out loud right now.